Hey, Matt.
Hey, John.
Hello, Internet. Sharpen pencils.
A brand new novel.
An elegant writing prompt.
A series of fluid graphs. Ooh.
An epic dodgeball game.
A timeless speech from an influential public figure.
Kid art.
Students debating a hard topic.
A Starbucks gift card.
Glitter.
What?
Ah, gotcha.
We were mentioning things that we love about education, and you...
I know. I just wanted to make sure you were listening.
Anyway, there's a lot to love about being a teacher, and now is a great time to be in the field of education.
Because risk-taking is easier and easier to do. And with Classroom Chef, both John and I encourage teachers in math and all contents to take a risk.
You've been so good to us for the past 2 years, and we want to be good back to you. In the last week, we've given away dozens of stickers, magnets, and books. And in the spirit of going big, we have a big announcement.
Big.
We both live in Southern California.
And we've traveled the country, encouraging educators from K-12 and all contents to take a risk. We want to head somewhere we haven't been before and offer support to a new group of teachers that are ready to take a risk.
So if you're interested in bringing the Classroom Chef to your site, district, or city,
For free.
let us know you're interested at classroomchef.com/free workshop.
We will cover the cost of getting ourselves to you and delivering a full-day workshop to your staff.
All you have to do is fill a room with teachers who are interested in taking risks.
And we'll bring some awesome for free.
Click the link below to put your name into the hat.
And we'll let you know next week.
Thank you for your support for the last 2 years.
Keep taking risks and becoming a little bit more awesome every day.
Goodbye.
Peace.